Hey guys, welcome on back. It's your favorite around the way girl, Naturally Candace, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you really quickly how I use rice water to grow my edges back. So not only did baby Caleb take my figure, he also snatched my edges completely. Well, they're not completely bald, but they are definitely not up to what they used to be. As you can see on the sides, they are thinning very drastically, as well as the front perimeter and the other side. Even if I wanted to wear a high bun, I could not because my edges are like thinned out. Not only are they thinning, they are like dry and super brittle. So the rice water challenge has literally been everywhere, all over social media. So I decided that I wanted to do my own take on the rice water challenge, where I'm going to apply the rice water directly to my edges for 2 weeks straight. I made a separate video on how I make my rice water. I made a batch in the mason jar, and then I made a smaller batch in a spray bottle that I will use for my edges. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a cotton round and I'm going to just wet it with some warm water and go around my edges to clean like any dirt or, edge control or build up from that day. I want to really make sure that they're clean, so when I apply the rice water, it has a chance to really get in to penetrate my hair. Then I'm going to grab a fresh cotton round and my spray bottle of rice water. I did leave a few grains of rice in there to really help it ferment as the days go by. I did add a few drops of lavender oil. Lavender is very good for your hair, and I heard that the rice water smelled like ass, so I added the lavender essential oil to help mask the smell. So I did about 10 pumps of the rice water onto the cotton round, and then I just went and applied it to my edges. I was a little rough and kind of aggressive because I wanted to make sure that the rice water was really getting into my edges. So I did this part for about 5 minutes, just making sure that every part of my edge was touched with the rice water. And then I grabbed like my hair tie. It's not really like a hair tie, but something to cover my edges because I wanted to let the rice water sit for 10 minutes to really, get in to do its thing. After I let the rice water sit for 10 minutes, I grabbed another fresh cotton round and just wet it with water, and I went around my edges to remove the rice water. Rice water does contain a lot of protein, so that's not something that I want to let sit on my hair for days at a time. So not only will I be doing the rice water on my edges every day, I'm going to be applying some black castor oil. Black castor oil is known to really be great for hair growth. And you have to make sure that you have the authentic black castor oil, not the stuff with tons of other vitamins. You want to make sure it is plain black castor oil. So then I'm just going to take a few drops of the castor oil and apply it all over my edges. I'm just going to dip my fingertips in and really get in to work that black castor oil in. Scalp circulation or stimulation is very important for healthy hair growth. And after I get that black castor oil massage in, I'm just going to take my edge scarf and reapply that. I'm going to be sure to sleep with my edges covered because I don't want to add any extra tension or breakage to them. So I will come back in about a week, let's say a full 7 days, and show you what the rice water has been doing for me. I am going to do this method every day, either at night or first thing in the morning. And I am really going to be able to see if the rice water is true to what everybody is saying. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in a week with an update.